Hello everyone, this is Aksha Jayaprakash, and in today's maths class we will be discussing the sample paper from areas related to circles. Let's begin. Question 1. PQRS is a diameter of a circle of radius 6 cm. The equal lengths PQ, QR and RS are drawn on PQ and QS as diameters as shown in the figure. Find the perimeter of the shaded region. In the question, the radius of the outermost big circle is given as 6 cm. PS is the diameter of this circle. So diameter of a circle is twice the radius, so it can be found out to be 12 cm. Now since PQ is equal to QR is equal to RS, which lies on the diameter PS, we can find the value of PQ, QR and RS as PS by 3, that's equal to 4 cm. Now QS is equal to QR plus RS, that's equal to 4 plus 4, that's 8 cm. So the required perimeter is nothing but the arc of the semicircle of radius 6 cm, that's the outermost circle, plus arc of a semicircle of radius 2 cm, that's nothing but this semicircle with its diameter being PQ, plus the arc of semicircle of radius 4 cm, that's the semicircle with its diameter being QS. So we know that the perimeter of a circle is given by 2 pi r, and the perimeter of just the curved part of a semicircle is given by pi r. So substituting the value of r in the formula, we get the perimeter as pi into 6 plus pi into 2 plus pi into 4. That's nothing but 12 pi. Question 2. A sheet of paper is in the form of rectangle ABCD in which AB is equal to 40 cm, BC is equal to 28 cm. A semicircular portion with BC as diameter is cut off. Find the area of the remaining part. So here, to find the area of the remaining part, we should first find the area of the rectangular portion ABCD and the semicircular portion that has been cut off. So the area of a rectangle is given by length into breadth. In this case, it's AB into BC. That's equal to 40 into 28. That's equal to 1120 square centimeter. Now the area of a semicircular portion is given by pi r square by 2. Here the radius is equal to 14 cm, so it's equal to pi into 14 square by 2. That's nothing but 616 by 2, that's 308 square centimeter. So the area of the remaining portion is equal to area of the rectangular part ABCD minus area of the semicircular part. So that's equal to 1120 minus 308, that's equal to 812 square centimeter. Question 3. Find the area of the shaded region in the figure if ABCD is a square of side 14 cm and APD and BPC are semicircles. In the question, the length of the square is given, which is 14 cm. Now to find the area of the shaded region, we need to subtract the area of the semicircle APD and area of the semicircle BPC from the area of the square ABCD. Area of a square is given by length square, which is 14 square in this case, that's equal to 196 centimeter square. Area of the semicircle APD and BPC are same since their radii are same, that's equal to 14 by 2, that's 7 centimeter. So area of the semicircle is given by pi r square by 2, that's equal to pi into 7 square by 2, that's equal to 77 centimeter square. Therefore the area of the shaded region is equal to 196 minus 77 minus 77, that's equal to 42 centimeter square. Question 4. Find the area of the shaded region in the following figure if the diameter of the circle with center O is 28 cm and AQ is equal to 1/4 AB. In the question, the diameter of the circle is given. So from this we can find the radius. Radius is equal to half the diameter. So the radius of the circle is equal to 14 cm. Now it's also given that AQ is equal to 1/4 AB. AB is the diameter of the circle. So 1/4 AB is nothing but 28 by 4, that's equal to 7 cm. Now from this we can find QB as AB minus AQ, that's equal to 28 minus 7, that's 21 centimeter. So the area of the shaded region is equal to area of the semicircle with diameter AQ plus area of the semicircle with diameter QB. The area of the semicircle with diameter AQ is given by pi r square by 2. Here D is 7, so R is 7 by 2. So in the place of R we need to substitute 7 by 2. So the area is given by pi into 7 by 2 the whole square by 2. So that gives us 77 by 4 centimeters square. That's nothing but 19.25 centimeters square. Similarly, the area of AQ is found. Here the value of the radius is 21 by 2. So substituting it in the formula, we get pi into 21 by 2 the whole square by 2. That's nothing but 693 by 4 centimeters square. That's equal to 173.25 centimeters square. Therefore, the area of the shaded region is given by 19.25 plus 173.25. That's equal to 192.5 centimeters square. Question 5. PQRS is a square land of side 28 meter. Two semicircular grass covered portions are to be made on two of its opposite sides as shown in the figure. How much area will be left uncovered? In this question, we know the length of the square land, which is given by 28 meter. So from this we can find the radius of the semicircular portion, which is 14 meter. Now each of the semicircular portion has the same radius, so their area is going to be the same. The area left uncovered, which is to be found out, is equal to area of the square land minus area of the semicircular portions covered by grass. So area of the semicircle portions can again be found out by pi r square by 2. That's nothing but pi into 14 square by 2. That's equal to 308 meters square. Therefore, the area left uncovered is equal to area of square land PQRS minus area of the grass covered portion. Each grass covered portion is of area 308 meters square. Two such areas is 2 into 308 meters square. That's nothing but 616 meters square. Area of the square land is given by length square, that's 28 square. So 28 square minus 616, that's equal to 784 minus 616, that's equal to 168 meters square. Finally, few tips to solve these kind of numericals is draw the diagram clearly in your answer sheet and write down all the values that are given and the values that are to be found out. This will give you a clear idea of how to go about the numerical. Thank you.